guys, I'm back for another video, and look I remember to turn my cell phone camera horizontal and not leave it vertical. See, I'm learning, practice makes perfect. I just want to add on to this video. This is later after it's already been recorded, the video you click to watch. So I wanted to film this intro saying that I have a shorter version of me packaging shoes for StockX, another pair of Yeezys I sold, which were the 700s. So if you want to see that short and sweet video, you can click right here. Be short and sweet, no talking, but if you want to hear me read the instructions, talk a little bit about the shoes, whoop-de-woo, you can continue watching the video. Alright, peace. Anyway, this idea to make a video just came to my head less than 24 hours ago. And I've never sold on StockX before. This is my first time shipping an item to StockX. I was like, you know, I might as well just make a video of me doing this. So I'm about to show you how to package a shoebox and ship it to StockX. What you're gonna need is you're gonna need the shoes, whatever you're gonna ship, actually, because they can ship more than just shoes. You're gonna need bubble wrap because that's a part of the instructions. You're gonna need tape, of course. And the instructions said it has to be at least 2 inches wide or wider. Scissors, of course. I don't know, I have a tape measure, whatever. And then I use my method of turning an Amazon box inside out. I made a copy of the invoice so I can have one, you know, in the box as per instructions. And then I'll have a copy outside the box so I can still follow the instructions on how to properly package this box. Alright, so the first step is to place the invoice inside the shoebox and/or envelope with the product. So I have an envelope that says invoice on it. I'm about to fold it. Alright, and then I'm gonna slide out the Yeezy. Slide out the Yeezy box. Put it in here with the product. Place it inside. It's inside the Yeezy box. Alright, next step is to place the shoebox and or sleeve into a bigger and sufficiently sized shipping box that is no more than 2 inches larger than your item on each side. Remove all hazmat warning labels and stickers from the shipping parcel. So my box is properly sized. If this larger box properly fits the shoebox. All right. So next part on the list is to use bubble wrap in our packaging paper to ensure your item is secure while in transit. Step number 3. All right, so we're gonna take the shoebox and we're gonna wrap it in bubble wrap. So I've got the shoebox all wrapped up with bubble wrap that I purchased from the 99-cent store. So all secured in there, but it says use bubble wrap and or packing paper. So I am going to use both. So I got it wrapped up in bubble wrap, and now I'm going to stuff the box with packing paper, which I also bought from the 99-cent store.
In the bay, shipping peas, different states, don't fall in a minute, May. Yeah, I'm switching lanes on the way to LA. Busting scripts in the bay, shipping peas, different states, don't fall in a minute, May. Yeah, I'm switching lanes on the way to LA. Molly and the Henny, the X and the Remy, Perkin and Bacardi, Coast Bill popping at the party. Molly and the Henny, the X and the Remy, Perkin and Bacardi, Coast Bill popping at the party. Feeling for the lean with the soda pop. Bridges good, I ain't never sold no re-rock. Shipping full of Zans in a big box. It's a hot work in my 2 socks. A sack full of Zans and Oxycontin. I got a bag of that bar for me, been locked. Yeah, head getting good too. shot, crack ain't track, but the drug still pop.
Alright, so as I was putting the tape on using the H method, my camera cut off on me because my cell phone has low battery, and yeah, oops. Number 4 says to seal package across the side flaps and the seam on top and bottom of the shipping box using the 6-strip, comma, H method, comma, with 2 inches or wider packing tape. Do not use masking tape, cellophane tape, duct tape, string, or paper overwrap to secure package. So it's called the H method, 6 strips, because it's literally like an H. See the letter H. Actually, you know what? They should have called it the I method, capital I, because that makes more sense, because the letter H isn't this wide, you know, but a capital I is this tall. You know what I mean? 6 strips, right? 1, 2, 3. Turn it around. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. So 6-strip method done. Secure. So let's see. What's number 5? Tape or insert the StockX provided UPS label to the outside of your shipping box. And then UPS store should provide a folder for this to be placed on the outside of your package for free. Okay. Drop off your sealed package to an authorized UPS location to be sent off. To find the closest UPS location, visit ups.com. Drop off. Number 7, congratulate yourself on the StockX sale. So yeah, all right. Anyway, I guess I'm done. So all I have to do now is take a shipping label, place it on here, and then and send it off. And that is how you ship a shoebox for StockX. Again, I appreciate you. I appreciate 2020. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.